Hello students, today is my 22nd lecture on complex analysis for 5th SEM BSc students. I am Sanjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School for Women. Today we will study the inversion. That if W is equal to 1 by Z. So writing W is equal to rho e to the power I5, that is in the form I am writing here. Z is equal to r e to the power I theta. So W is equal to 1 by Z can be written as rho to the power I phi is equal to 1 by r to the power I theta, which can be written as 1 by r e to the power minus I theta. So rho is equal to 1 by r. So modulus of W is equal to 1 by Z mod, and phi is equal to minus theta, that is arc W is equal to minus arc Z. Now take capital Z is equal to 1 by Z bar is equal to Z bar means x minus Iy. So this can be written as 1 by r e to the power I theta, and W is equal to capital Z bar. The first the first is inversion with regard to a unit circle Z is equal to 1. This means that the point Z lies on the radius drawn through the point Z in Z, and its distance from the center is such that Z into mod of Z into capital Z is equal to 1. This inversion followed by the reflection W is equal to capital Z bar in the real axis. Thus, the point inside the unit circle are mapped into the point outside the circle and vice versa. The points on the circle are reflected in the real axis. The points on the circle are reflected on the real axis, but inside points are outside on the real plane. Now, what do we mean by geometrical inversion? Find the image of the infinite strips, that is y lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, and secondly y lies between 0 and half. Under the transformation W is equal to 1 by Z, show that the region graphically. W is equal to U plus IV and Z is equal to X plus IY. From this we get X, U is equal to X by X square plus Y square, and V is equal to minus Y by X square plus Y square, and then calculating we get V is equal to V is equal to V is equal to Y. Then Y is equal to 1 by 4, then V by V square U square plus V square is equal to 1 by 4. Here see, if Y is equal to 1 by 4, here V is equal to Y. So minus V is equal to Y. So minus V by square plus V square is equal to 1 by 4, which after calculation gives us U square plus V plus 2 the whole square is equal to 4, which represent a circle passing through 0 and minus 2. And similarly y equal to half, which converted into U square plus V plus 1 the whole square is equal to 1, which is again a circle. So the line between y equal to 1 by 4 and y equal to half can be shown in figure on the W plane. When y is equal to 0, v is equal to 0. Also, when y is greater than 0, v is less than 0. v is equal to minus y by x square plus y square as shown in figure. The line y equal to half is transformed into the circle u square plus b plus 1 the whole square is equal to 1. Also, it is evident from the figure 1 that the circle gets bigger and bigger as y diminished from half to 0. Hence, the infinite strip when y lies between 0 and half is mapped into the region outside the circle u square plus v plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 in the lower half plane, that is into the region u square plus v plus 1 whole square is greater than 1 when v is less than 0. Then the region are shown in the figure. Now we will talk about linear transformation. A transformation of the type w is equal to az plus b, where alpha and beta are the complex constant, is known as linear transformation. Here w is equal to zeta plus beta and zeta is equal to e to the power I lambda into tau, and tau is equal to az, and where alpha is equal to a to the power e to the power a into e to the power I lambda. We see that the given transformation is the resultant of magnification, rotation and transaction. Again, this is the resultant of magnification, rotation and translation. The Thus, to obtain the desired transformation, the first magnify the region in the jet plane by the factor A is equal to alpha modulus. Then we rotate the region so obtained through an angle lambda is equal to arc alpha, and finally the translate the region to obtain parallel to vector beta through a distance modulus of beta. So, consider a linear transformation W is equal to 1 plus I Z plus 2 minus I. Here beta is equal to 2 minus I, and when we separate real and imaginary part, we get u plus iv is equal to, after calculation given on your screen, and u is equal to x minus y plus 2 and v is equal to x plus y minus 1. When we put x equal to 0, we get u plus v equal to 1, and when y equal to 0 we get u minus v equal to 3, and when we put x equal to 1 we get u plus v equal to 3, and when y equal to 2 we get v minus u is equal to 1. Hence, the given rectangular region in the jet plane is mapped into the rectangular region bounded by the lines u plus v is equal to 1, u minus v equal to 3, u plus v equal to 3, and v minus u equal to 1 in the w plane. Again, I am saying please refer coordinate geometry book to draw this line if you feel difficulty. The two rectangular regions shown are as follows. It is evident from the above diagram that the rectangle in the jet plane is magnified by the factor 1 plus I, that is equal to root 2 modulus of 1 plus I, then rotated through an angle that is arc of 1 plus I, that is pi by 4, and finally translated in the direction 2 minus I through a distance modulus of 2 minus I root 5. Then the points A, B, D are transformed into the points A dash, B dash, D dash, and the origin in the jet plane is transformed into the points 2 minus I. So thank you student. Please try this at home. This is very important linear transformation. Please try it at home. So thank you this much only for today.